Ubi catch them say Ghana economy. I hear or that dame. Me Abro me.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de Ghana and Sam TV so. But all this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amajo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amajo so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano the meeting the new patriotic party Aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka sem be say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, momi enko. Ni enko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Ubi catch them say Ghana economy. I hear or that dame. Me Abro me.
I hear saying.
Say
yes in the first.
You want to
yes in the
first or that dame.
Okay. Not necessarily see your what toy.
No, so say go your say yes me
back on.
I no correct.
Okay.
Now no santasi dum last Tuesday ya. Monsieur mom I am tato mokonu bia me ensa enan. Monsieur mo nsa 10 mami. No kan ordinance kan ni see.
On sa 10 saying.
On some moko 10 cedis mami. Me am ton me ye
ko ton back ma.
Oh kan na mami
ko kan say na.
First no so ko yesa.
You all kind of saying about
8 or 7.
Yeah, 10 Ghana 8.
Me see Santos
8 10 Ghana.
Figure idea. Santos I want to meet that. Me
to Makoni Baku more than 1 city.
Me see Moko can say
about 10.
Be 8 and what to so no.
Let me just say maybe on 8.
8 and no 10.
Mokoni Baku 10 cities. 10 cities. It's not say Baku more than 1 city.
Me dey me say your question no. It's any be who say and here said you sika no.
Ghana there the ba be adwuma. Say na watwi mu parliament je budget ntuma sa na aban we pese odeba. Akada obetua VAT na hodo mienu na kwakoye double. Eno no eyesa aban hwe ne ye. Eyesa e de ahoche kakra e be break na fo. Ye to so bi wa me ne akoka ye na budget no na ya ade na wanje sika foforo ne enye ade foforo wo Ghana ha. Look eno ma be break cost so se ya. Ya asisi pen ya anye hu dede. Ya no mkra de omo ye ne kakra bi na omo trem kan be break. This is not the first time finance minister be the budget akọ parliament. Na o se me sika foforo. Ye wa kan for ya time e ko so. Okay, media review. Make 2023. Okay, page 3 of the 2023 media review budget. Paragraph 18 to 21. Can of rat and go Jessica for and free Ghana for. The demand no and one home and what the boy. It is an at first so called parliament. Now I say budget media by me Jessica for and yard for be as I say. You can say Antonio and friend. A face so yes, so economy no Abro $100 billion into your more and some. Emma Prez.Mahama Aban ene atofose eno so edikan anya first time Ghana economy grow beyond $100 billion in year 2024 first time Ghana economy hit 1 trillion and above 1.2 trillion 2024 ya restructure on debt ka say yama aban bre na on tua sa ekano say na ye tua anya de foforo bia wan san say can of rent na or structure or restructure your debt no ansa na mo ba no na debt ni bia mature de edikan na watua de atoso mienu na watua ansa na Akufo-Addo hand over mamo de atoso me sakura Akufo-Addo tua ye it is amaba na mo so batua de atoso 9 de atoso no mu a sebe previous we no ne wa ne de enya ade bia enwa na cardinal ade pa asese ye hwe ne ye ne se ye betima akeka yensa mu nyina na inflation kofom na sabe GDP kosoro GDP a okay a 6.5%. Can of rata ya na mo pese mudi na temne MPP aban also why 6.5 ono ba na afia dika we 8%. Akufo-Addo na afia toso mienu oya 7%. De atoso miensa oya 7%. O ba ko ni mienu na wanya 5 and 6.5 no wo se yantonyo mfro na budget ne de minister be radio ebi no be yo mo de wo be ka ya na ya can of rata budget dikan aboso kan fo nyina abosi o Ghana asa wo kan na Ghana for budget so adentia ono ne budget di kan no eto mako edunson na akufo ado aban yi free ho ana wotete so de ma Ghana for mo buy mo budget di kan mo de to mako enwotwe na begu Ghana for ko mu enti de mo ye ne nei akase kra si ama Abro so kind of frata your budget or Ghana ha at import duty so by 50%. At import duty on vehicles so by 30% or Ghana ha. Mobile amonya sa de ni bi. Na ade ba ko me pesa Ghana ni bia atwe na adwene sesu ne se. Yese banche enya eja na beye den e betre. Se na atofo sin 2024 was inflation hu ya. Also economy ya grow nominal GDP 1 trillion kra enye no hia e Ghana for botum ene hia ja sa na no muka. Afa de na de almost ya inflation. And now more case inflation yes and de get no. And cry krom ha okoto entos baako e ya 10 Ghana cedis kana entos baako e ya 10 Ghana cedis se ne onkita 50 Ghana cedis and 100 Ghana cedis a ontimi mfa entos enya bomu e wo fie ma obusuafo ni anu amehia baba bi wo so no de jollof kra waja di sanse entos o mo de be ya jollof no mo nya sika no ma ya den o mato yati ha ne yenu ya
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akra bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintehu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atintehu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me sreba wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pasa me wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me say baby I won't ankasa baby I issue no ka fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi nka yentimi enka no say de nka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu wo tam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho ye yesre ya na video ni ye hwe ni say ya ene de ho na wo hye wo no ene wo na wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K Mrs. wa we are nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo Into about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for akonfo. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, then you will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warning was such a message. Me na me go catch you by John Dramani Mama, so all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most of the digitalization and talking, it's more peking sika. It's a mamma papa naba, or mamma kinka, and mamma added a mockum. You will come here. And you John Dramani Mama could not, if I say, and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only a kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.
Or sister.